Hello everyone, welcome to kraziisters.
In this video, we will learn the key things to keep in mind before starting a YouTube channel. So let's get started.
If you want to start your YouTube channel as a hobby or to earn money, then you should start it right now.
So the first thing you need to start a YouTube channel is a Google account. You can easily create a Google account by going to the Google account sign-in page.
The second thing is to choose a YouTube channel name. Choose a unique, catchy, and easy to remember name for your YouTube channel. You should refrain yourself from keeping any specific names, like if your channel has a cooking specific name, then it will only engage people who are into cooking. So you should keep a more general name so that it can reach out to more people.
The first thing you need before making a YouTube video is a title. You should choose an appropriate title which relates to your video. It's very important to choose a good title to get upper rankings in Google search. Make your title no longer than 10 words, use simple vocabulary, and try to come up with something interesting and catchy. Don't use academic words, metaphors, or clickbait phrases.
To create an interesting and engaging video, you need to research a lot on your content. The more people can relate to your content, the more they will click on your videos and watch them. Example, you can make cooking, comedy, DIY, educational, or many more types of videos. Your content should appeal to the audience and it should be interactive. Also, don't overstretch your videos because that will only make them boring. If your goal is to monetize your channel, make sure you don't mention controversial topics, politics, or tragic events. Also, avoid inappropriate language and hateful content.
You should have an amazing thumbnail as it gives the first impression. You can use any photo editing app to make an attractive thumbnail like Canva or Adobe Spark. A thumbnail can make your video a roaring success or let it go completely unnoticed. The thumbnail should be relevant to the content and the title of your video. You should use only one style to create all your thumbnails. You can also add copyright-free music to enhance your videos. Your profile picture should be clear and eye-drawing. Also, you should add description and use YouTube tags. You can search trending YouTube tags on Pinterest. Remember to add end screens, which are interactive links to your playlist and other videos.
To make your video, you need equipment which includes a camera or a phone and a tripod stand so that your video is not blurred. You can buy them from any online platform like Amazon.
Good lighting in your YouTube videos is very important. You should shoot the video in proper sunlight, or you can also use soft boxes or ring lights which you can easily find on online sites like Amazon. Also, make sure that your video has no background noise. Always check your audio and make sure the viewers will be able to understand your words.
Moreover, to edit and beautify your videos, you can use various video editing softwares like iMovie.
Further, make social media accounts on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to let people know about your YouTube channel. You can also ask your friends and known ones to share your videos as much as possible.
You should watch your video again and again from start to end and analyze it. This will help you remove the boring part and will engage your audience more. Also, don't get disheartened by hate comments. Instead, get motivated from the positive ones. And at the same time, you should use the criticism in a constructive way to improve your videos.
Consistency is the key to YouTube. The more you post, the more likely your videos will turn on the Explore page. You should constantly upload videos on YouTube. It should not be like you upload one video today and then you upload it after 2 or 3 months. You should set particular days and a particular schedule for uploading the videos. Like you upload one video on Wednesday and the other on Saturday. Suppose you have a friend. The more you meet and spend time with your friend, the more your bond will get stronger. Similarly, the more videos you post, the more attached your audience gets to you.
Last but not the least, have courage. Never give up or get disheartened if you have less subscribers or less views. Be patient as a YouTube channel takes time to grow.
Remember that however entertaining your content is, there will always be those who will try to bring you down by posting hateful comments. Don't let them discourage you. Never compare yourself with others. Be real, take challenges, and have fun.
Thank you. If you enjoyed our video, like,
Like,
share, and subscribe. Also, comment down what you think about our first video.